Hi viewers, this is Minachandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class. In this exercise number 7.2, problem number 5, find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1 comma minus 5 and B minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Listen, one more time I'll read the question. Find the ratio. We need to find the ratio in which the line segment, when you're joining these 2 points, you will get a line segment. The line segment is divided by the x-axis. Are you clear? When we join the 2 points, we will get a one line segment. In that line segment is divided by the x-axis. So we need to find a ratio as well as we need to find a coordinate of the division point of division. Clear? In that while we are joining this 2 points, we will get a line. In this line, the x-axis dividing the line, we should know the point of intersection of this line as well as x-axis. Are you clear? Excuse me. Listen, so point A, that is 1 comma minus 5. Point P minus 4 comma 5. So it's joining on line. So this line is divided by the x-axis. That point is divided by the x-axis. So I don't know where it can be lies. Maybe by what ratio it can be divided, I don't know. So I need to find a ratio as well as the point of intersection. Are you clear? Excuse me. So I just consider this point of intersection as a p of x comma y. Excuse me, are you clear? Right? Okay. Now, so we have a point and we don't know the ratio. We have a only section formula. So in this section formula, what are things is should be required? One is ratio and one more is 2 point. So here we have only 2 points. Then what about the ratio? What about ratio? We need to find the ratio. So what we supposed to do? We should take a general ratio form. So general ratio of the form, we should take ratios equal to k is to 1. Are you clear? Excuse me. K is to 1. So now I have a ratio as well as point. Now we can use the section formula. So section formula. When you are using section formula, what we supposed to find here? The P of xy point, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. When you are using section formula, from the section formula, we can find a P of x comma y. So the section formula, P of x comma y is equal to x2 plus x1 m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 comma y2 plus y1 m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Are you clear? Excuse me. Excuse me, any doubt? Okay, now we can substitute the value. Here it is the m1 m2 x1 y1 x2 y2. Madesh, please be listened. So now we can write p of x comma y, just keep it here, equal to substituted. What is the m1 here? K into minus 4 plus what is the m2? 1 into 1 divided by k plus 1 comma next m1 k into 5 plus m2 1 into y1, that is minus 5 divided by m1 plus m2, what it is? K plus 1. Are you clear? Excuse me. Okay, now. So minus 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 comma 5k plus into minus, so minus 5 divided by k plus 1. Are you clear? Excuse me. Okay, now here they set the point p of x comma y. Listen, so the intersection point is lying on the x-axis, right? The point is belongs to the x-axis. Then what about a point? What about a point? Excuse me, the point is belong to the x-axis. See here, x-axis, x-axis. So when the point is lying on the x-axis, what about a y? Oh, very good, very good. Therefore, we can write since the point is in x-axis, x-axis. Therefore, the pointers, what it is, the pointer, x value, y value should be 0. So x comma 0 is equal to minus 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 comma 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1. Are you clear? Excuse me. Are you clear? Now, you just equate x quadrant, y quadrant, y quadrant. So I just equate the x quadrant, sorry, y quadrant and y quadrant, right? X quadrant, y quadrant, y quadrant. So 0 equal to 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1. Are you clear? Excuse me. Okay. Now, very easy. Cross multiplication. 0 into k plus 1 equal to 5k minus 5. So 0 into any number, it became a 0. So 0 is equal to 5k minus 5. Then 5k, that is 5 became a plus 5 is equal to 5k. Then 5 divided by 5 is equal to k. Then you just solve it. 1 is equal to k. So what is the k value here? 1. So what is the ratio? What is the ratio? K is to 1, it means 1 is to 1. Listen, now we found that the answer ratio, the ratio is 1 is to 1. The ratio 1 is to 1. The ratio 1 is to 1. But what they asking here? They asking intersection point also. Now we found the ratio. Ratio is 1 is to 1. So now we can find the intersection point also. What is the intersection point? P of x comma y. So now you can substitute the k value in this y. Excuse me, are you all clear? So we can coordinate x is equal to 5k, sorry 4k minus 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1. So x is equal to, now we can substitute a k in this equation. What is the k? Minus 4 into 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. So x is equal to minus 4 plus 1 by 2. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. So answer is the point of intersection. Therefore, the point of intersection is the pointer, what it is, x comma 0. So 3 by 2 comma 0. Are you all clear? I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment.